from Team Zero, here to solve the problem with respect to European problem statement number 5, software application development for the cities to raise public awareness about wildlife trafficking and how people can make social impact on wildlife trafficking. So join us to the evolution to be the savior of fauna by educating, engaging, and supporting. So coming to the solution summary, Noah2Sea is an easy-to-use social impact app that enables citizens to capture, record, identify products with respect to endangered species, and report them by sharing the location and help authorities to take actions and find alternative products, thereby contributing to curb the illegal wildlife trafficking. It further also enables citizens and organizations to form associations for the wildlife awareness, create impact from the grassroots levels, and also it helps to earn credits that can be used to spend wisely by being close to nature. So what are our objectives when we are building this app? So we wanted to make every citizen be part of this fight against wildlife trafficking. We want to utilize the citizen services in identifying the crimes and take the quick actions. We also wanted to provide up-to-date information with respect to wildlife by AI-enabled newsfeed. We also wanted to educate society on endangered species and products that they are not supposed to use as it harms wildlife, and also reward them and make them stay motivated by making close to the nature, protecting it. So how are we going to achieve our objectives? So here we have a strong team which consists of 4 members, me being the solution architect, and Shivani Panchal being impact analyst, Yogesh Kumar being data scientist, and Ritesh Latso being UI UX designer. So coming to our tech stack architecture, which we have planned for implementing this model is that, so firstly, we have collected the data with respect to endangered birds images, endangered bird voices, and protected species-based products and their alternatives. We have built our own data set. So coming to the architecture, let us see the data sets have been stored in the CSV files and the common folders. Then we have worked on model building using Flask. So Flask is something which helps us in building APIs. So that APIs can be called onto the front end of our application, which we have developed, and all the information and clickstream collected at the backend as an SQL. So a overall view of tools and frameworks include Python 3.8 and Streamlit for backend testing UI, and Adobe XD for UX, and PyTorch for machine learning models. So let us see how does our prototype work and how we have implemented this. So this is an image with respect to how we have tested our APIs by using Streamlit. And now let us see a quick view of how our application works on the right side. So this is how you can sign in or sign up with our application. Then the first one is find alternative product. So when you click a photo, you can find alternative product, report it. So whenever you are finding alternative products, you can go buy here or visit a store. And you can also spot endangered species and then report to us so that you can earn coins, and that can be used to create a social impact. And our news and blogs app, so you can share it with social media for the maximum outreach. So you can also join our campaign being a facilitator or being an organization for contributing to wildlife protection. So here the registration thing works, and now your coins can be redeemed to visit the stores or to visit the zoos in and around the world. So this is all about our application working. Now let us go on to what is the impact and relevance of it. So coming to the social impact, if you see, there are almost 7,000 endangered species in 120 countries, and there's a quick action need to be taken. So this is something which can really helpful in making a quick action, as every citizen is involved in making the change. And this app is concentrating on educating people so that we can curb the 4th most lucrative global crime. So if you see, this is also laying the foundation for the UNSDG 14 and 15, so that together we can stop and reduce life, and we can contribute for saving life below water and life on land. So coming to the business impact, we can stop the illegal supply and sales of wildlife products. And you can see the shops and zoos which are running on low businesses and which are running their sustainable things can be benefited by this, as we can promote them. So products which are non-animal based can also be promoted by this sort of application. So thank you.